Open your web browser and navigate to the Google search page. In the search bar, type Gemini Student Offer and press Enter. From the search results, click on the link that reads Gemini for Students. You will land on the official offer page. College students get Gemini Upgrade for 1 year for free. Click the blue Get Offer button. You will be redirected to a Google One page. Click the Get Student Offer button to proceed. A Google Play pop-up window will appear. It will confirm the 12-month free trial. Select your UPI payment method and click Subscribe. A QR code will be generated on the screen. Scan this QR code using any UPI app on your mobile device to complete the refundable 2 rupee payment. After a successful payment, a Google Play pop-up will appear with a check mark and the word Subscribed. You will then be redirected to a celebration page that says, You've got Google AI Pro, and lists the benefits. Click the Go to Gemini button. You will now be in the main Gemini interface. To ensure you are using the Pro model, click the model selector in the top left corner of the screen. It may default to 2.5 Flash. Select 2.5 Pro from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully claimed the student offer and can begin using the advanced features of Gemini 2.5 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, share, comment on this video.